Hey, what's going on, guys? It's 911 friend. I'm back, and his seeing situation is his dog keeps on going somewhere.
Do you have do you have bone? Give me your bone.
Yeah,
Give
my
me some
bone.
of your bone.
My boner. Sorry. The reason why I shouted on the other video is because it was 15 minutes and 1 second, and I
Where's
think
where's my dog?
that's my dog. This is my dog.
No, this is my dog.
Oh yeah, that's your dog. This is my dog. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go up. This was a
Go
good
out.
place, guys. But now we have to leave.
Okay.
I'm
Wait, where's the
packing
door?
all the doors.
What? Hey!
What? Why?
You're leaving.
Yeah, I'm leaving. You have to leave.
No, I mean I'm not done yet.
Oh no, it's night. No, it's okay.
It's a bad timing.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Make a boat.
Where's a dog? Come on, let's go.
Make one shovel.
Let's go out.
Oh no, we need wood. I don't have that much wood. Okay.
I have. No, I don't.
Oh, just make a boat.
Dude, just follow me, Wolfie. Please follow me.
No, make a boat, bro.
Boat?
Yeah, boat.
Oh yeah.
To another island.
Oh yep. Hey, come.
You have to also make a shovel, bro.
Shovel.
Yeah.
But how about the wolves? They can come.
Yeah, they can follow us.
They can't.
Yeah, they can.
Okay.
I tested. Oh, I'm just gonna make one for you. Is that okay?
No, it's okay.
Okay. The crafting bench is right there.
Dark. How do you make boats again?
No, I'll just make one for you.
No, it's okay.
Just make a wooden shovel, and then it's 5 pieces of things, the wood.
Okay, so where?
Wooden shovel.
What?
A wooden shovel.
Shovel. I'm done making it. Oh, there you are. I can make 4 of them.
No, don't. Okay,
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Where? Oh, okay.
Follow me.
Let's go out of here.
I know.
I know where the beach is. Come. Hey, dude, come.
It's right here.
What?
It's right here. Oh, it's the zombie. Oh, it's the skeleton. It's our time to use the arrows. The bow. Oh, I just missed that shot. No. Ah. Oh, that ninja skills. Do you have any arrows? I lost mine.
It's okay. Let's get out of here now.
Okay. This was a good place. We have to end this.
Wait. Don't leave me, please.
Why?
I didn't grab my boat yet.
Oh.
But, okay, board. Okay, I'm done.
Let's go. Oh, wait.
Wait.
Do you realize that we could make 2 people ride on one boat?
Really?
Why did move?
Zombies!
Ah!
Move.
Run!
Ah!
Are you okay? This was a good place, guys.
Zombies.
That's why. It's on easy mode. That's why my hunger wasn't going down.
Why is that guy in my boat?
Because I told you that there could be 2 people on one boat.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Let's get out of here.
Follow me. I'm gonna go on 3rd person mode. How would you? Also go to 3rd person. Are you going to 3rd person?
I don't know where we're going because it's all down the water.
Here.
This boat is hard to move.
No, just press them at the same time. I think there's another way. Follow me.
But how about the wolves?
Our wolves are behind us. Don't worry about them. They could also teleport if they're in the far and they can't find us. Oh my gosh! Look at my butt.
It's water all.
Let's go. Oh, it's so dark. Keep your brightness to 100. La la la. I'll slow up for a little bit and then come on. I need to be beside you.
Why?
Because. How about this? You can leave your boat and I'll come up to my boat.
Dude. What?
I'll drive.
Okay. Wait,
Go out of
don't,
here.
Don't leave me.
Okay. The wolves are in. Okay. They can teleport to us. Just don't worry. It's the rain. Can you board?
Yeah, I could.
Okay, there we go. Look at third person view. I gotta screenshot this. Let's move it. Go to third person view so that it's not laggy. There we go.
Whoa!
Woo! Oh, it's kind of shaky.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But we can't see any land.
Yeah. I wish it was morning.
I need food. You don't have food.
Do you have any food in?
No, you have in yours. For sure.
What? Eat the round flesh. Don't worry.
What?
We'll get there.
What? I have worked so hard for those pork chops and you didn't even take it?
Oh, I took it. I ate it. I ate it, dude.
What? I hate you.
Don't worry. I'll find it. Well, anyways, guys, I'll pause the video for a second and I will see you guys in a minute.
How do you get out of here now?
Oh, we can just build. Hey, guys, we are... Oh, sorry. Oh, that was close. Here, behind you. Behind you. We found an island, guys, and it's the smallest island we could ever find.
I'm getting out of here.
Let's bring the boat with us again.
I'm gonna make my own boat.
Okay.
Wait, can you wait?
Okay, to another journey of boats land. Bloop. All aboard. I love saying that. What are you making? Oh, I see you. He's over there, making a crafting table. What's he doing now? He is crafting a boat, a lever, and a boat again.
Just stop it.
Sorry. You right behind me? Let's move it. Another minute, guys. See you in another minute. Guys, we found a giant island. Yep, and there's a lot. Wait, that's a forest. No, it can't be. It can't be the other one. Because we never found this. I'm gonna bump to you. Ah. We found a giant island, guys, and it took forever. Whoa. I hate my life. It took freaking forever. I'm gonna leave my boat. I'm gonna take it with me. Ooh. There's a giant. Not really giant, but there's another small island. Why do we keep on getting small islands?
Oh, another!
What?
Cross 3 islands!
I just found that a while ago. Ah, okay. Okay, it got 2 meats. Ah, no meat at all. Fudge. Die. Okay. Die. Okay. Oh, my inventory is full. Throw the sapling away and throw this gravel away. Okay. Do you need the brown wool?
I got your thing.
What? Oh.
Sorry, I farted.
Nice. Do we need a brown? Let's go. Let's cook these food. Cook these like a boss.
How many minutes are you?
9 minutes.
Oh, god damn it.
Why? You want this to end?
Yeah, I'm quite tired, okay?
Well, how would you get tired by playing a game?
I don't know, I want to do something else. Go to the other island.
Okay. I'll stay here. And I will.
Oh, another cow. Don't get my stuff. I need all the food.
Okay. Yum 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 yum.
I need to get one.
I'm climbing up a tree to find another island. And I cannot find a single freaking island. Fudge me up. Fudge me
I'm going
up. I'm making a staircase to Giant's island.
Hello, piggy. There's a lot of animals here. I like it.
One. Oh, did you just kill that piggy?
Yeah.
You're so mean. Oof.
How do you make a saddle?
You can't.